Hello, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about Claude AI in a very simple way. This presentation is about how Claude can help us work better, think faster, and manage tasks more easily. It is not just a chatbot, it is more like a smart assistant that can support writing, analysis, coding, and even automation. So in this session, we will see how Claude can move from basic use to advanced use in a practical and simple way. A large language model built for cognitive work. Claude is designed for thinking work. That means it is useful when we need help with ideas, writing, problem solving, data understanding, or handling work more efficiently. It can support content creation, code help, data analysis, and workflow automation. So instead of using AI only for small questions, we can use it for real work that saves time and effort. The journey from casual user to workflow architect. At the beginning, most people use Claude like a normal chatbot. They ask questions, get answers, and use it for simple tasks. But as you learn more, you can do much more with it. You can use it for development work, and then later for automation and connected workflows. So the idea is simple. Start small, and then grow into more advanced use step by step. Aligning the Claude model to the mission. Claude has different model options for different kinds of work. For very complex thinking, planning, and advanced coding, the strongest model is best. For everyday writing, productivity, and normal work, the balanced model works very well. For quick questions and simple tasks, the fastest model is enough. So the right model depends on the task. Some tasks need depth, some need balance, and some just need speed. Engineering outputs with context, task, and format. One of the biggest mistakes people make is giving unclear instructions. If the question is vague, the answer is usually vague too. That is why good prompting matters. A simple way to ask is this. First give the context, then clearly say the task, and finally tell how you want the answer to look. When you do that, Claude gives much better and more useful output. Building a persistent knowledge base with projects and skills. Claude can also help you stay organized. Projects are like workspaces where you keep useful reference material together. This helps Claude understand the background without you repeating everything again and again. Skills are preset instruction patterns that help Claude do specific types of work consistently. So one part helps keep information ready, and the other part helps automate the way work is done. Unlocking interactive outputs and deep reasoning. Claude can do more than answer in plain text. It can help think through difficult problems in a deeper way, especially when the task is complex. It can also create interactive outputs that are easier to work with. That means you are not just reading an answer, you are working with a smarter and more flexible result. From chatbot to code developer with Claude Code. Claude Code takes things to another level. Instead of only chatting, it can work closer to code and project files. It can understand the structure of a project, read the files, and help with coding tasks. This makes it feel more like a helpful teammate than just a chatbot. So for developers, it can save time and make technical work easier to handle. Precision control with thinking commands. Claude also gives control over how deeply it should think. For simple tasks, it can answer quickly. For harder tasks, it can spend more time reasoning carefully. This is useful because not every task needs the same level of thinking. Some tasks need a fast answer, while others need deeper analysis. Connecting to the real world with Claude Cowork. Claude can connect with other tools and platforms too. That means it can work across systems like file storage, communication tools, project tools, and automation platforms. So instead of only producing text, it can support real work across different apps. This is where Claude becomes more powerful. It starts helping with action, not just conversation. The framework for AI tool use, Model Context Protocol. The PDF also explains a bigger framework that helps Claude connect with external systems. This framework allows Claude to interact with tools, prompts, and resources in a structured way. In simple words, it gives Claude a safe and organized method to work with other apps and data sources. This is what makes advanced AI workflows possible. Real-world workflow transformation in action. A very simple example is organizing messy files. Imagine a downloads folder filled with random documents, images, and videos. Manually sorting all of that takes time. With Claude-supported automation, the files can be checked, grouped, and arranged into proper folders much faster. So instead of wasting time on repetitive sorting, the system does the work for you. Your 6-step path to productivity. The presentation also gives a simple path to becoming better with Claude. Start with basic chat use. Then learn how to ask better questions. After that, organize your context properly. Next, expand what Claude can do using skills and connected tools. Then move into Claude Code for development work. Finally, use automation for full productivity. So this is a step-by-step journey from simple use to advanced use. The ultimate digital assistant for knowledge workers. At the end, the main message is very clear. Claude is not just a chatbot. It is a complete productivity partner that can support text, code, and automation. It works best when you choose the right model, give clear instructions, and connect it to real workflows. So the more clearly you use Claude, the more value you get from it.